Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to link your bank account to PayPal. To link your bank account to your PayPal account, first of all, launch open the PayPal application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into PayPal, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner. Now here, you will see Add Banks and Cards option, tap on it. Now at the bottom in the pop-up, look for Banks option. Click on Go to our website to link your bank account. It'll take you to the paypal.com website where you'll need to sign in with your credentials. After typing down your correct credential and logging in the paypal.com website, you will be taken to this page. Here, simply go ahead and click on this Cards option and tap on Link a Card. Soon after you click on Link a Card, on the next page, get ready to enter your card details. Now, enter your card number in the text box and write down its expiration date and the CVV code. Also make sure to select your billing address and tap on Link Card at the very bottom. PayPal may require to confirm the bank account or the card details if it is yours. And after verification is completed, the bank account or the card will be available in your wallet list. So that is how you can easily add a bank account or the bank's card in PayPal account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.